We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and it continues to pull downwards after this consolidation, guys. We're going to talk about what's going on, and some people are talking about some rallies that are coming up as catalysts down in the comments of my previous videos. I'm seeing it in different forums, and I'm going to share with you guys my honest, humble opinion of what I think moving forward. We're going to look at 42 Vision and Ultimate 42 Vision, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. CYTO, volume did not really pick up. I ignored it. And SVFD gave us a home run opportunity in a matter of minutes, guys. So here we have the chart, and it nearly went up 25% plus at its highest point. We mentioned it in the pre-market as it was consolidating, pulling downwards. Got that bull indicator a few moments before the bell. Pulled back, no bear indicator popped up. Reversed with strength, and you could just see that full strength there on 42 Vision and the highest point of 25% plus. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these every single day, no matter which direction the S&P 500 index or stocks are going. We will continue to look for these home runs. We look forward to having you join us. Check out the link down below in the description, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and after having a consolidation here between the 70s and the 80s, it has now pulled down closer to 70. It broke through support, and we're going to talk about what's going on here and what 42 Vision is showing, as well as Ultimate 42 Vision. By the way, you can now gain access to the Ultimate 42 Vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators. You'll gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to navigate through the volatility of the markets with the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities. So today, early on, exactly after the bell, on the 30-minute, it got a bear indicator, guys. So things have gotten pretty volatile here in this area. The last bear indicator popped up at $88, went to lows here of 77, got a bull indicator from 80 all the way to 86, nearly about almost a 5 to 10% move, started to pull downwards, consolidated here, and it got a bear indicator today at $83 at the highs. And the lows so far are $71 and some change. Now, it almost touched 70 bucks. That was a key level of support that I was watching between $70 to $69. And if it broke through that, we would see this go even lower because the next support is down here at $66, $67, as I stated in my previous videos. Now, apart from just DWAC falling, we also have the SPY falling, okay? It's not just DWAC. The overall market is pulling back. If you take a look here, since yesterday on the 30-minute, it has shown a bear indicator. And if we go ahead and zoom in here and look at the 5-minute, today our SPY bot over at the Discord sent out a notification early on at around 11:55 a.m., about 12 p.m., a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, everything was just pulling downwards on the SPY, the overall market. So it's not just DWAC, and as you could see it pull up there, it sent out the notification at 11:55 a.m. and you could see the chart how it reacted. Puts literally 2 to 3x in a matter of minutes to hours, guys. So let's go ahead and look here at DWAC again, what's going on with it and how it's been reacting, because it's super important to realize that within the volatility, there's been a lot of opportunities, but also there has been a big shift of not everything just looking so clearly. This is why clarity is so important within the charts. And as you could see here, 42 Vision shows the moments of weakness and the shifts back into strength and those bull and bear indicators to signify where the fake outs and real breakouts are, and also where the real pullbacks are happening. As you could see, bull indicators are not outlasting the bear indicators. These are the ones dominating the charts right now overall when you look at almost every single stock in the market. So let's go ahead and put this back in the 30-minute and look at some key levels now. So $70 is still a support to watch. The next one I would watch is down here at $66 to $67. If it breaks through that going into Monday, well, then the next point is down here at 55, guys. This is super important to realize how important these support levels are moving forward. We currently are under a bear indicator, so that is important to realize as well. And I'm going to be watching for this bear indicator to get negated by a possible reversal, bringing itself back up, and a bull indicator popping up anywhere along those lines on the way back up to negate it and start pushing back up with real strength. But that's not the only thing I'm watching, because the 30-minute shows us a much more volatile picture. And if you go ahead and zoom out, you could see how many times it's been coming up and down. But the 4-hour will really show us what's going on, and is this going to be much more bearish than we see it? And could this retest the $67 mark, $55 mark, as I stated, in the next few days? Because I have stated that this was an anticipatory run. It was eventually going to have a slight quote unquote cool off because we had the rally that was just coming up. There's another rally coming up supposedly 2 weeks from now, or about not this weekend, but the next one. So actually 1 week from now. And that's what's actually kind of just cooling this off. There's no real catalyst coming up. There's a lot of different headlines right now bashing DWAC. That's another thing to realize. And February 21st is pretty far away, but this could try to get itself back up eventually, right? It could be the setup for the next bull run. But the most important thing right now is $100. It rejected really close to it, a few dollars away from it, and I think it's going to be significant for the bulls to try to get back up there and break through it, so then we can start talking about other resistance levels based off the charts. But let's pull up here the 4-hour so you could see, and as you could see it got a bear indicator. It did not have a bear indicator. It had a clean bull indicator since $48 all the way to the highs of 94, consolidated, and it got a bear indicator today at $80, guys. This is super important because now we have red back to back, no longer green. And the last time we got a red, I stated, hey, we need a reverse with strength. It needs to continue. It slightly happened, quickly reversed here. I stated yesterday, we're going right back to red borders. That means that we could shift back into dark green or red. And here we have it. And we're under a bear indicator, guys. Super important to start watching this. I'm going to be watching the 4-hour very closely and seeing if this continues to pull downwards and if it could reverse again, as well as the 30-minute and negate these bear indicators and go back into bull indicators. If not, we could see some further weakness. Now, is it destroying the chart completely? Not yet, because this is a big move from the 40s all the way up to the 90s, nearly almost 100% move. So it's just pulled back a bit, but these pullbacks could eventually add up, because when we saw it consolidating here, things were looking kind of strong, and look how quickly things shifted, and it broke through some of the key supports of $77, and the next one was down here at $70, and it's trying to fight to stay above it. If it breaks it, well, we have 2 other supports to watch and see what goes on, and if this can find a bottom, try to reverse or consolidate within these areas to try to bring itself back up eventually and try to retest the new highs of $100 and break through it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.